Shame! Dahil gonna die! Tonight! Gonna die! Daniel gonna die! Tonight!
You die!
What? We didn't do one thing. What ba? Hindi ako.
Like Anamura fight, like this what this part do?
You see, that's Brock. He was the boss for a long time.
You Anamura fight?
That is the time. He must die. To die.
Because he steal the people to Napak. Now we must die. We must give him defeats. What? Nice.